I want to give you an overview of where the trains are compared to my building. There's my building right here, my back door of my building. And if you look up on top, I have windows and I have openings in the vents where noise gets inside the building. We can definitely hear it from inside the building. So this is where I'm at right here. Then the other people that are affected are these people right here in this building, and you know, Elaine from the United Church of Christ is right up there. Is right up there in their top windows. It's right up there in the top windows, and that's where they're located at. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take and just watch this. We're going to watch this. Notice the light rail train came by. Notice they stopped blowing the horn for the light rail. Inside my building. This is what it sounds like inside my building. I'm going to back up to where I'm standing right next to my office. You know, my office. There's my parts people. There's my parts manager inside. And we're affected by this horn inside our building. Okay, now they're going to take and change to the back side of the motor. Notice the man is carrying the stick, the testing equipment, to the back side of the train. This is the third train today that's been tested. There's no rhyme or reason or time frame that they do it. We have no idea when it happens. There's a man carrying a stick back to the rear end of the train. And here comes the light rail train. You notice they don't test it when the light rail train goes by. Okay, this man's going to signal. He'll raise his hand. Then the conductor will blow the horn. He's still out there. Looks like he's about ready to start his test.